Typical manual handling programs usually encompass a lot of factors that talk about reactionary measures. Usually we're investigating something after an injury has already happened. But how do we move from being reactive to preventative? The way that we're doing that now is through using wearable tech, AI, and machine learning to help understand how a person moves and make better decisions on the spot. Manual handling technology has traditionally been clunky and invasive. It has been time-consuming for both the worker and the practitioner, and it's hard to measure the success of interventions. But wearable tech, AI, and machine learning has the ability to revolutionise the way we work at Endeavour. By providing real-time data and non-invasive biofeedback, wearables can help us take better care of ourselves and prevent injury. We're doing things a little bit different here at Endeavour. We're changing the way we look after musculoskeletal health through using scalable real-time feedback. By putting a little wearable device on someone's shoulder or back, we're now able to see the way that they move when we're not around, which means that there's none of those observational errors that happen when there's somebody on site observing someone doing the work. Using Soter Coach, users can track their movements throughout the day without anyone external there watching. Previous tech was also not able to address fatigue in a way that we can now. Soter device self-learns and gives personalised feedback to each worker. It has conceptualised and built in an intensity model that measures how difficult movements are for individuals. Among many characteristics, it considers the velocity, jerkiness, and bend angle at the completion of a movement. This is a total step change improvement from traditional standards that only estimate weights that people could safely move and completely ignores a person's inherent strength and fatigue. The program works by participants checking out a device at the start of their shift, and then they begin a 10-day program. The first day simply tracks and learns about the wearer. On the second day, the device begins giving haptic feedback. Throughout the course of the program, the device is able to learn about the participant and its feedback becomes more tailored and specific for that worker. Participants receive their real-time haptic feedback and can also check their progress at the end of their shift. They can then use tailored micro-learning videos to watch and learn more about areas that they may need help with. Alongside the Soter Coach, we've also been using the Task app, which is able to take real-time videos of workers, overlay joint angle and intensity information, and then deliver this video in feedback form to the worker. This enables rich one-to-one conversations from our health and wellbeing and safety teams to help workers better understand their movement risk. All of this de-identified data is collected in a centralised dashboard to help identify important trends to certain business units, types of work, and time of day. This data is helpful for measuring intervention methods, hazardous task identification, and to better understand the physical health risk of our workforce. At Endeavour, our people come first. And that's why we're using innovative techniques in the musculoskeletal health space to make sure our people can do the best work and go home safe to their families.